Hello, everybody. This is David R. Becker with BeckerArt, and today I want to talk to you about 2026 and what I have planned for you guys in the lessons and on YouTube and everything that's going on with my lessons for 2026. And so I'm not going to be teaching a lot live this year because I want to do everything a little bit more different. And so I'm giving myself some time and a little bit of time to paint. And so while I'm doing that, I still want to teach because I love teaching. And I'll be doing it online a lot. And I'm going to be doing it for free on the YouTube channels that I have right now. But I want to organize everything. I want to organize it so that you guys can go and follow me and do all the things and find the lessons really easily and go from where you're going, basically. So if you're starting out as a beginner, you'll know just what to do right from the beginning. And all the videos I'm going to be doing next year is from it'll be number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and I may break out once in a while if there's something to be added to that video. I'll do 1A, 1B, 1C, 1-3, and so that it'll be more organized. And right now I have about 700 videos on there, and nothing is organized. And so I thought this year would be a good time to start that. And also that way it'll be easier for you to find videos that when you want to do a certain thing. And it'll all be on playlists. You go into my YouTube channel and there'll be playlists and stuff available. And I'm going to figure that all out. And also I'm getting a new website, which that'll all be on. I'll explain everything on my new website. It may not be up right away in January. I hope it will be, but it may not all be together completely the way I want it in 2026. In January, I mean. And so we'll see if we can get that going. It's just that I've never been very organized when it comes to teaching my classes. I just go to classes and I teach, and so this time I'm being online and wanting to do this for you guys. I want to make it a little bit easier for you guys to find stuff. And also, if you're at a certain level, you can start at a certain level too. So I'll have different videos for different levels and we'll make it all organized. All right. So hopefully I'll have time to come and watch me doing my paint-alongs, which I do every week. I'll still be doing my paint-alongs every week. And my website will have that up and running. And I have a calendar also for you guys to see what's coming up. And all that stuff is all going to be brand new in the new year. And so I hope we'll have a lot of fun together. And I'll be also doing a lot of painting and trying new things. And so you'll be all part of that. All right, so join me in 2026. And definitely subscribe to my newsletter and my YouTube channel if you don't get it already. So that I can keep you informed and get you teaching, and I can get you to learn a bunch of stuff in watercolor and gouache and anything else I can find out. All right. So we'll see you in 2026. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.